So welcome everybody to round number 5. I'm trying to divide the skills necessary for developer into chunks and train them separately. Today we will be training typing for 5 minutes, and then for 25 minutes I'm doing some programming exercise or something. Now I'm going through Angular tutorial. This doesn't have to be typing, it could be like learning shortcuts or something, but lately it's typing. I wrote an application which tracks my progress in the typing. How am I doing? So my best is with a 2% error rate, which is the main thing I'm looking at, since I have a new keyboard, so I'm trying, reduce the typos. Yeah, that's the name of the game. So let's get into it. I'm using this website, typing.io, which I like because you have all these like special characters which you type as a programmer. Yeah, so let's go. Not black, back. What I didn't say is that I'm supposed to be like coding or something for 25 minutes at least. That's the timer is here for, right? But I kind of tend to forget myself, and sometimes the round is not half of hour but hour or something because I'm still coding. Because there's this little tiny thing which I want to complete, right? And do you also feel like it takes just too much time, everything? I always feel like I'm slow. Maybe I'm really am. But we will have to do somehow with what we have, right? I have seen to use any percent tag so far. What? Oh, I know. Yeah, Yeah. I kind of feel that, like I certainly cannot put 100% on anything I do. uh, yeah, so I'm going through the tutorials at any percent. I wanted to do like speed runs of I don't know, like some coding exercises or so. Like going through like for example Java. So I was going like in a speedrun mode through all the features of the Java, right? Dude, it takes forever. And it's so boring. So I didn't do it after that. Yeah. Oh wow, that is very good for me. That is very good. So okay, so we will put it in 3% and 30 words per minute. You see, it's better than my all-time average, but oh, thank you for the follow, Lincoln. It is better than my all-time average, but I'm recording since like last week. Well, yeah, I wrote it like maybe 10 days ago or something, this CLI application. And since then I'm like taking the statistics. And it also like, oh, good. This like, because look at this, like the previous attempt, it looked like I'm getting worse for the past 3 days. And with this attempt, we did manage to push the error rate down, so we are improving. Like this is where I started. This was my VPM average VPM, and it goes up, and the error rate goes down. So, which I'm pretty happy about. That's good. Good to see the progress. Yeah. And I will be right back. I don't have this fancy peeing overlay. I have this. I'll be right back. Okay. So we finished the typing and we can continue on to the angle tutorial. Almost everyone left after the awesome typing session. So I guess we can, what we have is the hardcore. What was left? Okay, I'll start the timer. So we did put in this guy, this app routing module. Yeah, it usually that's true. I have been raided a few times already. Yeah, it usually goes like that. The biggest raid I think was from the White Panther. It was like 60 people or something like that. Unbelievable. Yeah. And there was like 20 people stayed. Like, that was the biggest audience ever I had. Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah. As you can probably tell, I'm still figuring everything out here. I stream it is like a month now. Yeah, I stream for a month now, or maybe a month and a few days or something like that. And I even got like some subscribers. That's crazy. Like, yeah. Yeah, I really like the community here, like the programming, like all the people are like so nice. It's almost unreal, you know. Yeah, and so knowledgeable. Like usually, like people which comes to my stream, they know a lot. You know, like for past few weeks, I was learning Java and I was like building some application in it, right? And there were like people who came to my chat and they knew so much, you know, like. And they were like willing to share their knowledge with me, which was like pretty awesome, you know. So I could improve my programs and the approach and so on. Yeah, I'm like blown away. Yeah, I have to admit I was really nervous, like start streaming, you know. There was I remember when I had my first viewer, so I was like, oh, well, yeah, I have to maintain the conversation and so on. And you know, so I was putting all the effort. and then I was like talking, right? And after, I don't know, like an hour or something, I found out that it was a bot. I was talking to a bot. Yeah, so that happened. Yeah, that's true. It is the exact the same. Okay, okay. Yeah, so where were we? Where were we? File import the router module. Yep. Yes. But we are importing this just to put it into road, I suppose. The command module reference and declarations are unnecessary. Yes, we did delete it. I noticed. I don't know what it is for. Explain the rest of the uploading module in more detail. Okay. Oh, thank you, Proven Vin. Thank you for the follow. You might regret your life decisions later, but you're very welcome. You can use, yeah, exactly. So you can do this. I have a pad which matches the URL in browser. Oh, okay. So this would be, but it's not configured yet, right? I have just localhost. Okay. And the component that should create, that the router should create. But if I have component in well, I guess I will know later. Yeah. Router module for root. For root, so the for root as in the URL root, maybe. You're crazy. Oh, thank you so much. That's like, oh my god, I got 2 subscriptions today. That's crazy. that's that's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. Oh, thank you so much. Focus for root. For browser location changes, okay, so if I add the address, the URL, it changes something. Oh, what is this? Got to shoot now, sorry, can stay. Cheers, shape. Oh, it's TypeScript. Does it make things better? How come it didn't read the text? I think it would read the text. It didn't read the text. Yes, it is. Recent events. Where is it? Doesn't. Anyway, good to shoot now. Sorry I can stay longer. Can't wait to catch the next one. Oh, thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you so much. Oh, it says in here. I'm stupid. Okay. Okay. See ya. Bye bye. Those were like different, right? Like the bits. Okay. I need to find out how the bits works. Yeah, it is, but you know, like I think like if you wanna do front-end development, you cannot really escape the. You have to use JavaScript, right? I mean, there's like I didn't even heard about like company which would like do something on the front end and oh Hex, yeah, your favorite. I was looking at it the other day. You sent the link, so I was visiting it again. It looks, I guess it's, but I don't think like I would get a job doing that. Following line answer. One step. Yeah, so that's all of the routes which I defined. Yeah. For route, because you configure the router at application's route level. The for route method supplies the service providers and directives needed for routing and performs the initial navigation based on the host URL. Companies don't use it because companies want to go for something which they can use to produce garbage as fast as possible, and that's what JavaScript is good. Yeah, like the point of these frameworks like Angular, Vue, and so on. I think it's also like the speed. But I heard like many programmers complain about like there's like too much layers on top of each other, and it causes like great performance. You are paying great performance penalty, and oftentimes you even your page, if it just displays your face and two links, you will download some. You will have a megabytes of traffic just to run that page. Yeah. Yeah, it has. It seems to have like some downsides. The supply service providers in next holding. Okay. The next exports the route module, so it will be available through the app. That's like kind of interesting, because I was thinking it will. Well, it exports this, but why does it export this thing? I have no idea. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay. Nice to see you. I might do some Java, but maybe not this week. So I don't know. I still haven't decided. I'll see you. Bye bye. App component template, I replace appearance with router outlet. Huh. Okay, so go to app component HTML and this here will be, come on, change inside this, this will be router outlet. So no longer needs appearance. Now it doesn't work, right? Yeah. Okay. Publishes the router outlet is one of the router directives. Okay, that became available to the app component because app module imports app routing module becomes the app component because app module imports app routing module which exported a router module. Okay. So we did import it in the app module and this guy exports the router module. Okay. I did this import because of the if you manually created app routing module or use a tool other than the CLI to do so, you'll need to import app routing module into routing. It's not routing, it's routing, right? Into app module tiers. Imports app routing. Okay, so this is it. This looks new too. Try it. ngServe. Well, I did. Well, but not the list of heroes. Yes. Is /heroes. Oh, really? Is hero? Where can I read that? In the routing module, it says heroes. Okay, so I go here and write but here I still got the Tour of Heroes. Add a navigational link. Router link. I don't even know that. Okay. And in Dina there was anchor tag, right? This wasn't thread, this was navigate. Hold on. Router link. Oh, it's Angular stuff. Okay, that's why I don't know it. Arrows. And here we will say rows. Uppercase H. Okay, so how does it look? And if we go here, we have the link. Good. Router link attributes as the heroes, string that the router matches. Okay, so router link is the selector for the router link directive. Yes. That turns user clicks into router navigations. So it's another of the public directives in the router module. Browser reflections on this. Yeah, I did try that already. Here, and I click over there. Changes this guy. Make this and future navigation links look better by adding private CSS style to app component CSS as listed in final. Where's the CSS? App component CSS. We already have it in here, don't we? Is it different? Yeah, it is different. app component, CSS. So we will copy that, paste it in, and that should change look. Oh, it does. Look at that. Wonderful. Where was I? Roads. The outlet, we did add, serve, the navigation, no link. Yep, here we are. Another component, okay. Dashboard. Generate component dashboard. What? Yeah, generate. I'm so confused. You know, like switching to the Vim mode and back. I don't know if here I don't have the Vim modes. That's a little bit confusing. So ng no, generate generate component dashboard. Now I'll get some drink before it finishes. But I think it finished before I left the room. Okay, cool. So we have that. We have dashboard over here. Beautiful. Replies the default file contained with these files as follows. So we have a top heroes. There is some styling on the div. Then we have a repeating ng4 let hero of heroes. This is a bootstrap thingy, I think. Okay. Now, so we will add all of you to Git, and we are changing this guy. Whoa, what did I do? Okay. Here we have the NG4. Okay, maybe that's pushes to repeat that. Oh, that was A. Oh, it is A. How this works? It is a link. It doesn't seem to be clickable. Oh well. So this is the timer shows that we are done. Done is better than perfect, and we can proceed to round number 6.